Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Clinic. In today's tutorial, I want to solve this simple question which says x plus 3 in bracket to the power of 2 equals to 9. But I'm not just solving this problem, I'm solving it with carefulness, okay? Because the question says that I should solve without expanding. So I'm not going to expand. In order to solve this problem, I'm not going to expand, okay? And if I'm not going to expand, what I'm going to do now is that I will find the square root of both sides so that I can eradicate the power here, okay? Because I'm looking for the value of x, okay? To do that, I find the square root of both sides, and then the power will be cleared. So I'll be left with x plus 3 at the left hand side, okay, equals to plus or minus square root over 9. And then what's square root of 9? That's 3, okay? So I'm going to have x plus 3 equals to plus or minus 3, okay? If I collect the like times, they become x equals to negative 3 plus or minus 3. And then if the sign is positive, that shows that x equals to minus 3 plus 3, which is equals to 0. And then if the sign is negative, that shows that I'm going to have x equals to minus 3, which is equals to negative 6. So therefore, the value of x equals to 0 or minus 6. 0 or minus 6. Now let's check from the question. Don't forget the question says x plus 3 to the power of 2 equals to 9. Let's check if what you're having on the left hand side here is equals to what you are going to have at the right hand side. So when x equals to 0, I'm going to have 0 plus 3 to the power of 2, and that's the same thing as what? 3 to the power of 2. And 3 to the power of 2 is the same thing as 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9. So that's correct. Now let's look for the second one. When x is now minus 6, that shows I'm going to have a minus 6 plus 3 to the power of 2. And then let's see if this is equals to 9 now. Minus 3 plus 3, that's equals to negative 3. So I'm going to have this to be negative 3 to the power of 2. Since negative 3 is raised to the power of 2, that means I'm going to have negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. And then minus times minus, that's plus. And then 3 multiplied by 3, that's 9. Therefore, x is equals to 9. You can see both of these answer is a solution to this problem. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoyed the tutorial, kindly invite your friends to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.